Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne. Thank you for always watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing our videos. And I want to thank you all for your support. We now have over 5,000 subscribers. Wow, that is good. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own chocolate. Yes, your brown chocolate at home using few ingredients that are always available. These are not ingredients that are difficult to find. You can always get them in cake shops around you. So we are going to use cocoa powder. Make sure you get a good quality cocoa powder. Then we have powder milk. I like to add milk to my homemade chocolates to enrich the taste, okay? And then we have confectionery sugar, icing sugar. We have vegetable oil. Yeah, we have some vegetable oil, and then flavor of your choice. And then we also have molds. These are the molds that we're going to use to form our chocolates. So I'm going to use a tablespoon to take my measurement. Now this really depends on the quantity of chocolate you want. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 tablespoons of cocoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to sieve it. Make sure you sieve so that you don't have lumps in your chocolates. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. Make sure you sieve, okay? You don't want to have lumps. To avoid lumps, just make sure you sieve it to give you a smooth and silky texture. Remember, I'm doubling my recipe. Depends on the quantity you want to make. So if you want less, you can just make half of this. So I measured 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I'm sieving in 5 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. I'm going to now add 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, or 2, but I prefer to use 3 so that I can enrich the taste. So I'm going to stir in all the ingredients together until it is nicely incorporated. Mixing everything together, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of flavor. It could be any flavor of your choice. And then I'll put in 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we are not using liquid for this, okay? So what will make it soft and watery is our vegetable oil. So I'm adding 5 tablespoons. Now stir. Okay, you can see it's binding together already. Now if it's too thick, you may just need to add more vegetable oil. Pause it. Okay, you can see the outcome. Although this is too heavy, we need to bring it to a running stage. So after adding 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil to your mixture, this is the result. Stay thick. So I'm going to add one more, the 6th one. Okay. So if you want to thin down your mixture, all you need to do is to add more vegetable oil. You can see the texture has changed. Okay. You can see it is now silky. So the next thing we are going to do is to sit our bowl on a hot water to enable it melt and incorporate nicely. You can see. Now if you want to use this for your drip on your cake, this is too thick, okay? This may be too thick. You may need to thin it down a bit with more vegetable oil. So your quantity of vegetable oil determines the texture you get, all right? So for what I want to do, this texture is perfect, all right? This is just perfect. We don't want it to be too light, so that if I want to use this for, say, a drip on my cake, I will just need to add a little bit, half tablespoon of vegetable oil. Hot water ready in a bigger bowl, so I'm going to just rest this on it, okay, and allow the heat to melt our mixture properly. Because of the vegetable oil in it, when you place it on heat, it helps it to run easily, okay? Okay. Make sure the water is not too much so that it doesn't enter into your mixture. Okay. This is okay for me now. So I'm going to pour it into my batter dispenser. And then dispense into my mold. Okay, after filling up my shapes, all I need to do is dab it a little so that it can fill up nicely. Okay, at this stage we are going to pop this into the fridge for 30 to 1 hour to enable it properly firm up. We'll be back to show you the end result. Ready, as you can see. You can see. Okay. we are. I hope you try this and get back to me. Thanks for watching. Time to taste. Delicious.